somewhere. Can't tell if it's a blower motor trying to start but having a tough time starting, and then it goes, because eventually it does go. This is the second time I've been down here trying to film this. Just this big buzzing sound, not normal for this to be going like this. It's been going for probably a couple minutes. Let's see how long it takes for it to get going. Last time when it stopped, it went straight into the blower motor turning on and the furnace going. Okay. Not sure what to make of that.